Worried about what causes kennel cough? Trying to find house remedies for kennel cough manifestations. Attempt the ones found below! Canine owners will certainly agree with me that kennel cough appears to be an exceptionally uneasy illness in dogs. In actuality, kennel cough in pets could be compared to a common cold in people. Research suggests that kennel cough is really caused by a PC virus, not a germs or illness as initially believed. Because of it, kennel cough could spread easily, and while the signs of it are definitely terrifying to listen to, acquiring kennel cough is not necessarily an indicator of something much more dangerous or serious. So all you dog owners out there, no need to worry. All you should do is seek various home remedies for kennel cough. This is because, thankfully, most cases of kennel cough do not require healthcare focus.There are a variety of various home remedies for kennel cough. Some of them include standard home treatments, house steaming treatments, soothing botanicals, and homeopathic remedies. Below you will certainly locate greater information about these different procedures here.Home steaming treatments. A lot of pet dog owners agree that this is one of the most efficient procedures of managing kennel cough in dogs. It entails placing of a vaporizer that has warm water in a room. Warm showers are likewise ideal for providing this kind of steam treatment. It is a good idea that pet dog owners accomplish this process a minimum of 3 times in a span of some day. One of the wonderful things to feel is that these are the most cost-effective techniques utilized in ensuring that kennel cough is eradicated. With this procedure, the vapor generated in fact opens a canine's bronchial tubes, which protects against obstructing of mucus or other discharges from lodging in a pet dog's lungs. When these bronchial tubes are clear, the kennel cough signs will certainly be gone.Standard. Residence ProceduresThis remedy includes straightforward actions that can be done at home to take out the kennel cough infection from your pet's system. For instance, dog owners should make certain that their pet dogs are kept in clean kennels. An excellent way to do this is to make sure your pet dog is correctly bathroom educated, to ensure that they are not resting or staying in damp places from careless urination. An additional essential point to keep in mind is to make sure that your canine consumes healthy and consistently. This will certainly minimize their vulnerabilities to different infections. Wet food and fresh food help in this, allowing your pet to recover faster than expected.Comforting. BotanicalsThere are various products on the market that can be used by canine owners as home remedies for kennel cough. These products help in building up the immune device of your pet in order to protect against infections. A few of these products consist of Plantago Lanceolata, Bryonia C6, and Echinacea. Purpurea.Homeopathic remedies. Home remedies prove to be the most effective nostrum for kennel cough. These treatments consist of KC protection, Respoke, and homeopathic nose comfort. Make certain that you use these remedies as advised in order for them to be effective. With the number of nostrum for kennel cough found to pet owners, I make sure you could agree with us because there is no should be excessively worried if your pet contracts this virus. While kennel cough signs might appear dreadful when your pet dog is experiencing them, in the plan of points, they are absolutely nothing to severe.I'm like you. I loved my dog and was worried when she had kennel cough, too. I was glad to find out about this great resource for dog owners, so I'm going to tell you about it too. You'll find all kinds of answers to questions like what causes kennel cough. I found it very helpful. Be sure and remember it has all the answers to questions you have, like what causes kennel cough will help you be confident you are giving your dog the best care possible.